Hello. So we are in Bern now.
Yes, we have reached Bern and let's explore the city. So we've reached Bern and this is the main shopping street.
And it's pretty amazing, pretty historic. It feels really nice to be here.
Yes.
So let's check out the street now.
Yep.
So this is like the main square of Bern, I guess. There are lots and lots of beautiful restaurants in and around.
Yeah.
And you can sit, sip some coffee, eat some really good food and have great time.
Yes, because there are a lot of options like pizzeria is there, pasta, pizza, and there are some Indian cuisines as well available. So
And in the old Bern town,
yes. Okay, so this is the old beautiful Bern town, and we just exploring the streets, and it's so very beautiful. It reminds us of the London streets in London.
and for those who know, here behind us is the famous watch, the Bern watch, which of course we'll be showing you in some time
Yeah.
with all its mechanical glamour and everything. It's just so amazing.
Yes.
So let's explore the street till then.
Okay. So beautiful, right? This particular street, I am not able to recall. What was that street in London where we went to Hamleys and on the main street of London?
The Regent Street.
Regent Street, yes. So this particular street gives us the feel of Regent Street from London, actually. And you can see there are
Bears and bears and bears everywhere because it is the official mascot of Bern.
Let's go.
Tiene Cronos, que está diciendo, está moviendo su cetro, está hablando, mueve la barba y el león le dice que sí, que sí. Todo lo que diga, está bien.
Cathedral of Bern.
And it's just behind us and you can see how beautiful it is. The carving, the construction and everything. It's so beautiful and majestic in nature.
So we are at the
city hall, called as a Rathaus City Hall, and it's very beautiful. You can see up there
and there are a lot of heritage.
buildings in and around, so we'll have a look at them also.
Yes, and time to grab some food. So we've ordered this pizza. We're gonna hog over it because we're really hungry after exploring a lot of places around. Awesome.